name of the topic is projection of point, and these are the outcome, that is draw the projection of point. We know that there are two reference plane. One is a vertical reference plane, second one is a horizontal reference plane. The intersection is the line of these two planes, and if this vertical plane is extended beyond this reference line, and the same time horizontal reference plane also extended beyond the reference line, then it will form four quadrant. First, this one is the first quadrant, second, third and fourth, and this is the view that we are obtaining from this direction. This is the view that we are obtaining from this arrow direction red, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Assume that point A is in the first quadrant, which is above the HP and in front of VP, that is 15 mm above the HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Blue arrow is the arrow direction of observation, so observer lies in the blue direction. So this is the front view direction. Pink arrow shows the front view direction to locate the front view point, that is point A dash. This is the top view direction from the point A, which will be the point A. To make it visible the point A is rotated in clockwise direction, so which will lies below the XY line, because the top view is not visible from the arrow direction blue. To make it visible, the horizontal plane along with the point A is rotated in clockwise direction, that is why it lies below the XY line. Then the point B is in the second quadrant, which is 15 mm in front of 15 mm behind the VP and 20 mm above the HP. So B dash is the point which is visible in the front view direction, that is in the blue arrow observation direction, and this is the top view direction. To make it visible, again the point B is rotated in clockwise direction along with the horizontal reference plane. So B and B dash point lies above the XY line. So this is the second quadrant, projection of second quadrant. Then the third point C lies in the third quadrant. Here also assume that the vertical plane is transparent, arrow direction blue is observation direction. So this is the projection of point C dash from the arrow direction C dash, and this is the point C, projection in the top view. To make it visible, this point C is rotated in clockwise direction, so point C, that is the point in the top view, lies above the XY line, and point C dash lies below the XY line. Both are the points at 15 mm above the HP and 15 mm below the HP. Then the point D lies in the fourth quadrant, that is below the horizontal reference plane and in front of vertical plane, and blue direction is the observation direction, that is point D is 15 mm in front of VP and 20 mm below the horizontal reference plane. This is the arrow direction in the front view, that is D dash. Then this is top view direction, so point D is rotated in clockwise direction along the horizontal reference plane. As we know that horizontal reference plane is not visible, top view is not visible from the arrow direction blue. To make it visible, horizontal reference plane along with the point D is rotated in clockwise direction, so point D and D dash lies below the reference line. So these are the projection of point A, B and C and D, which are lies in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. That's all. Then let us have the 3D view of this point, projection of point A, which is in the first quadrant. Now we are dealing with the only first quadrant. So point A is having at distance, some distance above the HP and at some distance in front of VP, and this is the A dash projection, that is a front view projection A dash. Then this is a projection, that is a top view projection. So then the point A above the HP and in front of VP, this is above the HP and in front of VP, in VP, not in front, in the VP. So this is the projection of point A dash, which will overlap with the point A, capital A. Then this is the projection of point A in the top view. Similarly, point A is in the HP and in front of VP. So this is the projection of point A and A dash and A. So A is in the HP and A dash in the VP, lies in the VP. So this is a 2D view. First view shows the point is in the point which is located in front of VP and above the HP. So this is the A dash is the projection of point A in the front view, and A is the projection of point A in the top view. Then A dash, location of point A which is above the HP and in the VP. So A dash is the projection of point A in the front view, and this is the projection of point A in the top view for the second case. Now the third case, which is point A lies in the HP and in front of VP. So in the 2D view, point A lies below the XY line. This is the projection of point top view of the projection of point A. A dash is the projection of point A in the front view.